Hi and good morning, and this is Shannon Gorton with Shannon's Magical Makings, and I wanted to pop in real quick and show you guys what I'm working on. Currently I'm working on preparing some orders for my Etsy shop, and I just wanted to show you what I was working on creating. So I was trying to decide what to do with some extra scraps and snippets that I have. So what I've done is taken a bit of sari fabric and a really pretty beaded or embellished piece of lace flower and some pretty ribbon trim, and then sewn a bunch of little bits of snippets and scraps together, left the strings, and I hot glued them onto one of these clips, and I thought, how cute is that going to be clipped onto a journal, some journal pages. And I just wanted to hop on real quick and share that with you guys because I thought it was pretty cool. So this is going to go into a kit that I'm making for one of my Etsy customers. Have a happy Wednesday.